right, today we are going to explore with a math tool, and I'm not going to tell you what the name of this math tool is. You might know, you might have used it before, and you might not have, and either way is totally fine. What you'll find when you open up your box in just a moment is you'll find that you have a box of tools that you're going to share at your table. What I want you to do to start with is I want you to explore with these, try to figure out, have I ever used these before? What kinds of things have I done with them before? And then what I want you to do as a group is to write some things in your math journal that you come up with. Hi, I'm Marissa Walsh, and today we are going to be working with second graders. This is their introduction to place value and also to using base 10 blocks. First, I had students actually take out the materials and do some exploring and record their thinking about, do I know anything about this tool? Have I used this tool before? What do I think about the math that we're going to be doing today? Anytime we are having students use a new tool, even though it might be something that they've used in previous years, we still want to give them time in this grade level to explore just using the tool. What do you notice about it? Is it something you've used before? Just kind of activating that schema for the math tool and not really naming it right away. Just sort of letting the kids have some time to record their thinking. What math thoughts do you have? Can you make any connections to math that we've been doing this year? And then we like to have them record that in their math journal so that later on we can share out some of those great ideas that they already have without us giving them any new information. Then I actually had the students model out some numbers that I gave them. For example, how could you model 24 with your base 10 blocks? And they put that on the chart, and then we shared that out. When students are first working with a new skill, we want to start them at the concrete level so that they're using some kind of a tool or manipulative to explore the concept, and they can really see that right in front of them with actual materials. The second step when students are working with a new skill is to get them going at the pictorial level. So if someone took your tools away, would you be able to visualize that and then draw it out? And so we teach the kids how to model something through drawing instead of just with the materials. And so we went through and looked at what are the symbols that stand for those blocks. The final step with students is to have them actually doing the abstract. So we go from concrete to pictorial to abstract, which is the actual numbers. So being able to just write out 365 instead of having to model it or having to draw it out, just knowing what those numbers mean. 3 means 300, the 6 is 60, and the 5 is 5 ones. One of my favorite things about teaching math to students is that aha moment. So they've done some exploring with tools or with concepts and they just get it all of a sudden and they're just so excited and they've sort of survived that little struggle. Something was hard for them and then they just get it. And it's amazing feeling for them when they've figured something out on their own.